Okay, guys, so I'm going to share the screen real quick. You can go to joinmyquiz.com and enter the code. I'm going to put the link in chat. I'm going to send it to everyone, okay? Let me get the link real quick and I'll send it to you guys in chat. Okay, I sent it to everyone at 9:01. So if you guys go to chat and click on the link, it will take you into the quiz. You won't be able to start the quiz. Today's like a review day, so we're going to go over your homework. We're going to look at who did the best on the quiz for homework last night. We are then going to watch a Generation Genius video, and then we're going to take a quiz. And then we have your homework today is a at-home experiment. And I'm just going to show you how to do the experiment at home, and then you guys will be doing it for homework. But that's it. Let's go over your homework real quick. Okay, here are the reports. Let's look at the forces vocab. So our winner is Tony. Well, it looks like Tony took this a lot. So it looks like Tony is the first. I don't know who this quiz's attempt is, but we have Tony, Potato, and Thomas as our number 1, 2, and 3. Good job, Tony, Hai Long, and Thomas. They got first, second, and third. The first person to take it was Thomas, and the last person to take it was Tony. Good job getting on first. Good job getting first. You guys did really good. A lot of people got 100%. Then we have a few people that missed one, like Tiger, Susie, John just missed one. And then it looks like some people missed it a lot, but you guys probably retook it. Okay, let's look at the most missed question real quick. So the most incorrect question was, what is the definition of a pull and what is the definition of a push? So you guys have to think, moving away from you and moving towards you. Which one is moving something away from you? Away from you. Mia.
And push.
Oh, a push. Yeah, it is a push. To push something away. Okay. And what does it mean to pull something? What does it mean to pull something? Susie?
Pull something is mean when you move an object closer to you.
Yeah. It's going to get closer to you. Very good. You guys also missed gravity, blank everything downwards. Yeah, the best answer was pull. Very good. The best answer was pull. Okay, guys.
Hi.
Good job on your homework. So Tony came in first with 19,060 points. Robert came in second with 17,500. And Daisy came in third with 17,450.
Yes.
And Thomas did it in one attempt, but Tony is our winner. Tony is our winner. Okay, let's watch the video now. Let's watch the video.
Oh, hey everyone! Welcome to 3-2 Wonder. I'm Dr. Jeff, and today we're gonna study the science of pulls and pushes. Let's explore. Whoa! I'm okay.
Ouch.
Today, we'll learn that a force is a push or a pull that makes things move. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. And pushes or pulls can change an object's motion.
3, 2, Wonder! Yeah! 3, 2, Wonder! Hey! Let's go! 3, 2, Wonder!
Whoa, Dr. Jeff, are you okay?
Yeah, looks like the punching bag on that round.
Oh, hey Olivia. Hi Elijah. I think my future's in science and not in boxing. Anyway, are you two ready to learn about force?
You bet we are.
Well, I hope you brought your tickets, because it's time to go into our imaginations. Follow me. Ready? Here we go. In 3, 2,
Wonder!
I'll show you how. But first, let's remember that a force is a push or a pull that makes things move. To show you that, I'll need a shopping cart.
A push is when you use force to move something away from you.
And a pull is when you use force to move something towards you.
Excellent! We use pushes and pulls to move a shopping cart through the grocery store so we can shop for food.
Do you think next time you could imagine a shopping cart without a squeaky wheel?
And maybe one with some more snacks.
Maybe next time. Now, can either of you think of other examples of using force in our everyday life?
Oh, I've got one.
Okay.
If I want to score the winning shot, I have to use force to push the basketball towards the hoop. Booyah!
Nice shot, Olivia. You use force to push the basketball into the hoop. Can you think of an example that uses force to pull something?
I've got one. If I want to clear weeds from my yard, I use force and pull them from the ground towards me.
Yay! And then I have to use force to pull out the tissue to get into my nose because of my allergies.
I totally get it. Forces can make things move.
That's right, but it's not all. Forces can also change the motion of things. Whoa!
So, if I want to change this ball's motion, I can use force to push on it, which makes it stop.
And if I want to change the ball's motion to be faster, I can use force for that too.
Nice. We know that a force is a push or pull and that it can change the motion of things. Now let's go back to the lab and do an investigation. All right, we learned that forces make things move, but they can also be strong or weak, and they can go in different directions. To help us learn about that, we're gonna need a volunteer.
Oh, me!
You don't know what it's for.
That's cool.
It could be dangerous.
That's even cooler.
Okay, Elijah, you're gonna be a bowling ball.
No fair. I've always wanted to be a bowling ball.
Don't worry, you're gonna be the bowler.
Okay, I can work with that.
Elijah, put on these goggles and the helmet. Safety first. Here we go. Elijah, you can sit right on the platform. And Olivia, the bowling lane is yours. Using force, push Elijah into the bowling pins.
Wow, I'm not as good of a bowler as I thought.
Don't worry, Olivia. All you need to do is push with more force. How far you can push something depends on how much force you use. If you don't use enough force, Elijah won't go far enough. Using too much force could push him too far.
I'm okay.
I pushed with as strong of a force as I could.
You sure did. Remember that you also have to push him in the right direction.
But if I don't, can we use force to change his motion?
We sure can. Forces make things speed up, slow down, and they can also make things change direction. This time, use a strong force to send Elijah straight into the pins. If it goes to the side, I'll use another force to change his direction so we can score.
Booyah! Again!
That was awesome.
Olivia uses force to make Elijah move. Then I use force to change his motion. Strike! Now it's time to get hands-on with force.
This is something you guys could do at home if you would want. If you get bored, you could get some books out and you guys could copy this for at home.
Today, we're going to use force to push a ball through our homemade golf course.
Scissors, some tape, a yardstick, and a golf ball.
First, design the shape of your golf course by placing the books next to each other.
Then, to create some fun obstacles, cut the bottom out of one of the cups to make a tunnel for your ball.
And tape it to the ground to keep it in place.
Then, take another cup and tape it at the end of the course as the hole.
Then, use your yardstick or anything sturdy enough you have, like a golf club.
Line up your shot and use force to make the ball move.
Try using a strong or weak force to push the ball.
Make sure to hit it in the right direction too.
We got it! Try it yourself.
Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. So when you push with force, things move away. They'll move back to you when you pull. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. A force can change an object's motion. A stronger force makes bigger change. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak.
Now, let's review.
Today we learned that a force is a push or pull that can make things move.
Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak.
Pushes or pulls can also change an object's motion. And now you know. Until next time, I'm Dr. Jeff.
I'm Elijah.
I'm Olivia.
Always question, always wonder.
Okay, guys. Now we play the quiz. We have 10 people in right now. We have Tom, Potato, Cat. How's Tom in here twice? Jack, Mia, Susie, Thomas, Lion, and Leo. If you're not in already, make sure you go to joinmyquiz.com. I'm going to give everyone 2 more minutes. Yeah, I'll start the game. Oh, we got Dragon. Good job, Dragon. Let's begin. Could you push or pull a door? Push, pull, both, or neither? Or neither. Minute, 2 seconds. Okay, Thomas is in first, Potato, and Susie. And it is both. Very good. A lot of you guys said push, but you can also pull the door, okay? Next question.
Pull!
Let's not yell the answers out, okay? Let everyone think for themselves. Please don't unmute. Please don't unmute. 12 seconds. Okay, time is up. Okay, Thomas is still in first. Jack is now in second. And Potato is in third. Pull was correct. Next question. Would you push or pull an elevator button? Push, pull, both, or neither? Okay, 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Time is up. Okay, let's see what you guys got. Jack is now in first. Thomas is in second. Lion is in third. It is push. It is push. Good job. Who do you push or pull a shopping cart? Push, pull, both, or neither. 1, 0. Daisy is now in third place. That was a hard one. That was the most one so far. Who do you push or pull the button on a computer? On a computer. Push, pull, both, or neither. 2, 1. Oh, Tony's coming back. He's in fourth place now. Push. Good job, everyone that said push. Next question. Do you push or pull when you get a tissue? 2, 1. Okay, it stayed the same. Which object needs the strongest force to move it? Is it the pencil, the car, the wagon, or the house? Oh, Leo and Lion moved up. Leo and Lion moved up. It is a house, guys. Imagine trying to move a house. That would take a lot of force. Okay, which object would not need a strong force to move it? An elephant, a feather, a pizza, or a desk? Jack, Thomas, and Daisy are still there. Leo and Lion are now in fourth and fifth place. Good job, Leo and Lion, moving up that board. Next question. Which thing would you need a strong force to pick up? A penny, a shirt, a soccer ball, or a cow? One person voted the soccer ball. John is now in sixth place. This is the last question. Make sure if you're in first, you stay in first. Which type of force could make a ball go really far? A strong force, no force, weak force, or a little force? This time, you guys got 100%. Okay. Let's see. Good job, Jack got first, Thomas got second, and Daisy, good job getting third. So the only thing left to do in class today is to go over your homework assignment. If you guys have any questions, this is the time to ask the questions. Your homework is going to be an experiment at home. Okay? You're going to need a toy car and a measuring stick, either a ruler, maybe a tape measure. Okay, if you do not have a toy car, you can use a different round object. You can use a different round object. This is how you should set it up. You should have a piece of tape on the floor to mark your starting line. Your toy car should go behind the piece of tape. And then what you're going to do is push it with different amount of force, with different amounts of force, and then measure how far it goes in centimeters. This is how your setup should look like. Make sure to choose a floor that maybe is wood, stone. You can try carpet. You can try different types of floor. I will show you guys the paper now. You're going to use something called the data collection worksheet. Let me click on that real quick. So I made you guys this worksheet. Okay. This tells you the materials you need. You need a ruler, a toy car, and a piece of tape. The directions, just follow the directions. So what you guys would do to fill this out, you would put something like toy car. Okay, you'd write something like toy car, and maybe your type of floor is wood. I would write wood. And then you would push it with a light force. And maybe when you push it with a light force, you did 10 centimeters. Maybe with a small force, you did 23 centimeters, and this is all you would have to do. You'd keep on pushing it and getting your results. Okay, maybe this one went 18 centimeters, and maybe this one went 50 centimeters. Now, one thing I can say, guys, if you're ending up hitting a wall, if you hit a wall or something, maybe use a little bit less force. You want to make sure your largest force doesn't hit something. You want to make sure your largest force doesn't hit a wall or something, because that will change your results. And then the most important part is the writing, your conclusion. I gave you guys 3 questions that you guys can answer. Okay, that is it. Make sure you guys do your experiment at home. I will see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye, everyone.